Remember that you are watching and listening to the following video, so if your volume is down, please turn it up. If you have music on, please turn it off. You're also going to write down what is on this video so that we practice getting all of our points. Jan was visiting the United States and he saw that the temperature in Seattle was 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Solve for the formula F equals 9 over 5C plus 32 to find the Celsius temperature. So right here we know that Fahrenheit is 50. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a minute and you're going to write down this formula right here on your page. And then what we're going to do is in the place of F, we're going to put a 50. So we have 50 equals 9 over 5C plus 32. All right, now this is one that we can do on Desmos. We have one variable, so we can type in the left side and we can type in the right side. And instead of a C, let's use an X. Desmos probably is not going to like a C. And remember that if you have a number, there's a way that you can type that in to get a graph. So if you are thinking to yourself what that way is, that's good. I'm going to give you just a little bit more time. And hopefully you're thinking y equals. So what we're going to do is we're going to go type those in, and then we're going to get our scratch page so we can sketch our graph so that we make sure that we get all of our points. Because remember, if you have a correct answer, it is not going to be full credit. You also have to show how you're setting it up, and part of that can be including that plugging in the number, sketching your graph, and so let's make sure we get all of our points. You're just going to scroll down the page. I had to go to a different screen. So we have y equals 50. And that's not on my screen because 50 is going to be up here. There it is. And I just pulled and dragged my screen until I could see that line. My next line is y equals 9 divided by 5. And then we go out to the side, x plus 32. Please make sure x is not in the denominator. All right, remember we're going to sketch this graph. And I'm just sketching on my paper so that whenever I come back around, I have it accurate. And then we're going to tap right there and get our point. And so you're going to get some more points by simply sketching and labeling. So we have our XY axis. We had our line that went like that, and we had our line that went like that. And then right here was the point, 10, 50, comma in the middle. Remember that points are x, y, and in this question what we're looking for is x. So our answer is x equals 10, or in this case, Celsius is 10 degrees. What we can do is we can plug that in just to make sure. So to check ourselves, we can take that 10 and put in that spot so that we have 9/5 times 10 plus 32. And if you are not sure of how to work that fraction, you can go back in, remember like we talked about, and you already have most of this typed. I'm going to delete that y equals that says graph it. And then when I plug in my 10, I'm going to use parentheses around just the 10. And when we plugged in a 10, our answer, we got 50, which is what we wanted. Because in our question, it says 50 equals. So that means that we did it right. The answer is 10 degrees Celsius. You're getting points for the correct answer. You're getting points for plugging it into the formula. You're getting points for sketching what you see and plugging it back in. And that's how you make sure that you get all of the points for this question. Again, please make sure you type that in before you move on to your next question.